a silent orb, Earth's unvisited neighbor. Earth, our home. A vibrant planet teeming with life. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, life flourishes in every corner. Cities buzz with activity, and nature thrives in its own rhythm. And then there's the moon, our celestial companion, a silent orb hanging in the vast expanse of space. It has always been there, a constant presence in our night sky, influencing tides and inspiring countless myths and legends. For millennia, humans gazed upon the moon with wonder and dreamt of reaching out to touch its surface. Ancient civilizations built monuments aligned with its phases, and poets wrote verses about its beauty. But what if that dream remained unfulfilled? What if the stories of lunar exploration were just that? Stories with no real-world achievements to back them up? What if we never took that giant leap for mankind? The launch pads would remain silent, the astronaut suits gathering dust, symbols of what could have been. Imagine a world where the Apollo missions never happened. The control rooms would be empty, the spacecraft hangars devoid of the excitement and anticipation that once filled them, where the iconic image of Neil Armstrong's footprint on the lunar dust never existed. Museums would display astronaut suits as relics of unfulfilled dreams rather than symbols of human achievement. In this alternate timeline, the moon remains untouched, unexplored, a constant reminder of our unfulfilled ambitions. It would be a silent witness to our hesitation and missed opportunities. Our relationship with this celestial body, so deeply intertwined with human history and mythology, would be forever altered. Conversations about the moon would be filled with what-ifs and regrets. Without the moon landing, our understanding of the universe and our place within it would be fundamentally different. The scientific advancements and knowledge gained from lunar exploration would be absent, leaving gaps in our comprehension of space. The moon, instead of being a stepping stone to the cosmos, would remain a distant, enigmatic object, forever out of reach. It would be a symbol of what we never dared to achieve, a reminder of the potential that was never realized. The space race, a Cold War stalemate. The race to the moon was more than just a quest for scientific achievement. It was a battleground for ideological supremacy. The Apollo program, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition, was born from the crucible of the Cold War. It represented the pinnacle of human effort, driven by the intense rivalry between two superpowers. This fierce rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union fueled an unprecedented era of technological innovation. Each side pushed the boundaries of what was possible, striving to outdo the other in a high-stakes game of one-upmanship. But without the allure of the moon, would this fierce competition have lost its momentum? The moon served as a tangible goal, a distant yet reachable target that kept the fire of innovation burning bright. The space race, a symbol of national pride and technological prowess, might have fizzled out, leaving the exploration of space a distant dream. Without the moon as a focal point, the drive to explore beyond our planet could have waned. The technological advancements spurred by the race to the moon, the breakthroughs in rocketry, communications, and material science might have been delayed or never realized. These innovations not only advanced space exploration, but also had profound impacts on everyday life. The absence of the moon landing could have led to a world where the superpowers remained locked in a stalemate of fear and distrust. Their energies focused on terrestrial conflicts rather than on reaching for the stars. The moon landing was a beacon of hope, a sign that humanity could achieve the impossible. The dream of space exploration, a powerful symbol of unity and human potential, might have been a casualty of this geopolitical climate. Instead of uniting under a common goal, the world might have remained divided, with the stars just out of reach. Technological echoes, a world without lunar innovations. The technological impact of the Apollo program extended far beyond the realm of space exploration. It was a catalyst for innovation, pushing the boundaries of what was possible and inspiring generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. The drive to land humans on the moon and return them safely to Earth led to the development of countless technologies that have become an integral part of our modern lives. From the materials used in spacesuits to the computer systems that guided the spacecraft, these innovations have found applications in various fields. Without the impetus of the space race, many of these advancements might have been delayed or never materialized. The competition between superpowers accelerated technological progress, leading to breakthroughs that might have taken decades longer to achieve. Satellite technology, a direct result of the space race, revolutionized communication, navigation, and our understanding of Earth. These satellites have enabled us to monitor weather patterns, track environmental changes, and even provide internet access to remote areas. Medical imaging, miniaturized computing, and even the development of cordless tools owe their existence to the technological innovations spurred by the Apollo program. The miniaturization of electronics, driven by the need to fit complex systems into spacecraft, has had a profound impact on consumer electronics and medical devices. In a world without the moon landing, our technological landscape might look strikingly different. The absence of these innovations would have slowed the pace of progress, leaving us with less advanced technology and fewer conveniences. We might be living in a world without GPS, without the convenience of instant global communication, and without the countless other technological marvels that we often take for granted. The ripple effects of the Apollo program have touched nearly every aspect of our daily lives, shaping the modern world in ways we may not always recognize.